6 Best Factorio Server Hosting for Everyone. Launched quite recently, Factorio is getting a lot of buzz in the arena of video games. It already has a solid player base of over 2,500,000 and continues expanding more. We have shortlisted some of the best Factorio hosting providers to make that choice easier for you. 1. GTX Gaming. GTX Gaming has finally introduced Factorio server hosting that comes with an easy-to-use configuration editor that lets you can add admins quickly and effortlessly. GTX Gaming zips up the server in every reboot and uploads the backup files to the off-site backup NAS. 2. GPORTAL. Get the premium Factorio server hosting with GPORTAL hosting platform. After the successful registration, you can get started with your server within some minutes. It uses the latest SSD hard drives and the best hardware, so you will never face any issues. 3. XGamingServer. Enjoy XGamingServer's dedicated Factorio server hosting to explore, craft, build, and combat with the creatures in the 2D world. It offers a power-packed control panel for you to get automated cloud backups, MySQL databases, improved files manager, and a lot more. 4. Nodecraft. Create Factorio server instantly with Nodecraft hosting platform that allows you to switch between 30 game servers at any time that Nodecraft hosts and provides high-end hardware. 5. Nitrato. Rent your Factorio server from Nitrato, one of the best hosting providers. With Nitrato's prepay system, you will get immediate access to the server without any terms and contracts. 6. AleForge. Research on technologies, build infrastructure, automate production, fight with enemies, and more with AleForge's Factorio server hosting. You will find features like instant server activation, high clock speed processors, cutting-edge mods, global locations, SSD hard drives, server notification, and more. Conclusion: a decent game hosting provider is necessary to let you experience Factorio with the highest level of satisfaction and enjoyment. Thus, choose any of the Factorio server providers mentioned above and play the game like never before. Thanks for watching.